Welcome to the vibrant heart of the United Kingdom, Birmingham. The Navigation Dissection. Join us on an exhilarating journey through a city that seamlessly blends history, culture, and modernity. Discover the hidden gems and iconic landmarks that make Birmingham a true gem in the UK. From its historic canals to modern architecture, there's something for everyone. Immerse yourself in Birmingham's rich history as we explore the awe-inspiring Birmingham Cathedral, the modern marvels of the Library of Birmingham, and the world-class Symphony Hall. Indulge your senses in the city's bustling markets, vibrant street art scene, and lively cultural festivals. Birmingham's diversity shines through its vibrant neighborhoods. Treat your taste buds to Birmingham's culinary wonders, from a chocolatey adventure at Cadbury World to savoring authentic dishes in its diverse array of restaurants. As the sun sets, Birmingham comes alive with its buzzing nightlife, live music venues, and shopping districts that cater to every taste. Whether you're an art enthusiast, a history buff, a foodie, or just someone seeking unforgettable experiences, Birmingham has it all. Hit that like button, share with fellow explorers, and subscribe for more exciting travel content.